Hey folks, all right, we got a 66 Ford Thunderbird 390, got a Holley 4-barrel. Had a little trouble with the accelerator pump, but we got it out here. It was packed up in the, parked up in the shed. But she's out, she's running good and smooth, no smoke, no noise. Seems to be okay. Got your usual chips and stuff around the edge of the hood, nothing unusual there. Is the hood, I can close the hood good, okay. Let's take a look at this grill. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with the grill. The grill looks good. The headlight bezel looks to be in good shape. So we got a parking light lens missing, and this piece here has been replaced. But it looks to be correct, just need to be painted. Good all up under here. A little dent chrome right there. Right here. This bezel looks to be good. Bottom of the bumper looks good on this side. A little spot right here on the bumper. Man, let's get it over there. Parking lens is good on this side. Go ahead, if you don't mind, sir, pop that hood for me, please. Lower fender dog leg looks to be okay. It's got Thunderbird hubcaps. She's sitting here right, running, idling smooth. We'll do the inside later. Just want to get a good look at this rocker. Rocker looks good. Spot of paint missing here. That almost looks galvanized right there, folks. See what I'm talking about? Pinch weld looks good. I'll have to go back and look at the video later because I can't see the screen from this angle. Okay. Door jamb area looks to be in good shape. She's purring like a kitten. Once you get it running, it does okay. Alright, we got a little bit of something going on this lower quarter, but I believe it's solid, just surface. Gas tank looks to be okay. Actually, I guess that's the cover for the gas tank. I don't think that's the actual tank, is it? I can't tell. Yeah, here's the tank back here. I'm sorry, yeah. There's the tank right there. Got aftermarket leaf spring holders. Got resonators on it. We'll open up the trunk here in a little bit. See the tail lights. Got a little ding right here. This is dented in right here. See right there, right there. Yeah, we got a lot of stress cracks on this piece here. And a little crack here. It's probably going to be replaced. Stress cracks on this. It's not busted, but it's definitely got stress cracks. I got the sun in my eyes, so I may miss something, but I don't think I have. All the rest of this trim looks nice. The usual scratches that you'll find on these bumpers on these old cars. The gravel pan back here looks to be in good shape. Stress cracks on this piece here. And a little crack here. It's probably going to be replaced. Stress cracks on this. It's not busted, but it's definitely got stress cracks. I got the sun in my eyes, so I may miss something, but I don't think I have. All the rest of this trim looks nice. The usual scratches that you'll find on these bumpers on these old cars. Gravel pan back here looks to be in good shape. Yeah, she is burning like a kitten. It actually doesn't smell bad. It's got a, I don't smell rich. That frame rail looks good. Under here, I don't see anything unusual. Hey, little puppy dog. Here, my buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? We got some surface rust spots here and here. Got a fuel cap on. It's tight. Trim around the fuel door looks good. Yeah, let's look at this lower quarter here. Oh yeah, we're good. This one here looks nice. There's something right there, but that's just, I don't think there's nothing important. Surface rust there. Man, that thing purrs like a kitten. I think you fixed that carburetor. You can have yourself right decent and get the brakes working on it. Alright, we got a good looking pinch weld here. Let's get you up under the chassis on this side. Definitely got some aftermarket spring clamps on it. Not sure what that's about. And there's your serial number. Rocker looks good. It's going to need to have the weather stripping replaced. Okay, folks, me and my helper here. I'm over here at Field Agent 427's house, and I got Field Agent 390 with me. They've gone off to look at something, so left me here with, thank goodness I had my helper. Rarely reliable, much more reliable help than the other two. But we picked up a 66 Thunderbird, nice car, nice restorable car, and picked it up for a client of mine. This is a car that I did an inspection on, I guess about 2 weeks ago, and he bought the car. He lives in Holland, and he wanted me to, or I should say he hired me to come pick the car up. And so that's what we did. We came over here and picked it up, and on the way over here we stopped at a guy's place that's got a lot of AMCs, and he gave us a tour, gave us some pricing. So we'll see what develops out of that. I got a lot of stuff going on. Definitely got some stuff that some leads from the AMC guy, and I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. It's not really all that hot. It's a little humid, but this car, Ed, this is your car, buddy, and you're gonna love this. He wants me to do a little carburetor work on it, do some work on the brakes, so it'll be safe enough to transport across the big pond. And it's a 390 car. The body is solid, man. This thing is solid, but it's set for a long time, and we're hoping the brakes just bled down, let the air in them. So I'm gonna try to get the brakes bled and put accelerator pump in the carburetor. That's about the only spot of rust you're gonna find right up here. I think there's one on the fender over there. Good solid car. Good solid car. So yeah, let me go hunt down my Field Agents so we can get the heck on out of here. But I'll post the AMC stuff later on the YouTube channel, and you know what we can about this car. It's set. That's how long it has sat. So I feel like we scored on this one. I really do, for what we paid for this car. And that's what we do, folks. We do cars, and we make a lot of people happy. If it ain't parts, it's complete cars or leads, we try to make it happen. So you folks take care, and hey, subscribe to my channel, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Here comes my Field Agents. They went and had a coffee and a donut while I was loading the car. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. That like button is important. That lets me know that you like the video. And you know, we're Mopar guys, but we do anything. We try to help car guys out. We're not biased. We do what we can and try to help everybody. Make this sport and this hobby continue to grow and prosper. And younger guys, check these cars out. These are some cool cars. Really are cool cars. Styling and just the way they designed and engineered stuff. So I just love this stuff. These cars have class and power. So this is a good deal right here. So check out the channel, subscribe, please subscribe, hit that like button, share anything, any videos on there you see, share them with your friends. Yeah, let's have fun, okay folks? All right, take care. Bob out. Hey folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We are home. Thunderbird is here. Tell you, man, that was a good looking car. I like that. That's a good solid body on it. Runs good. Just got to get some brakes on it and get it where to start a little better. We have to put ether in it to start it. Yeah, that's I think that's gonna make a good project. All right folks, talk with you later.